so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the May Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. I think this is the first box I got for May. It's April 20th when I'm filming this, but anyways, Simply Earth, as the name suggests, is an essential oil box. So each month you get 4 essential oils and 6 recipes and some items to complete those recipes. It is so much fun. And I can't wait to see what we're making this month. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and I haven't decided yet if I'm going to either insert photos or clips of me doing these recipes. My mom, I'm visiting her tomorrow, and she is totally into essential oils, so I might wait to bring this over to her place in Marco Island to do this box. But yeah, either way, I'm rambling, you guys probably don't care, but there will be the finished products included in this video per your request. I'm going to link Simply Earth down below if you're interested in signing up. I do have a promo code with Simply Earth, so if you're interested in subscribing, definitely take advantage of that. With this promo code, you get a big bonus box that gives you a bunch of things that help you complete your recipes, like carrier oils, like you get some almond oil, coconut oil, unfractionated coconut oil, beeswax, a bunch of little vials to make master blends of diffuser essential oil blends, and then you also get some roller balls. So it's really great, and you get a $40 gift card to spend on their website. So it is a great deal. This is what the box looks like. There's a picture of Cheryl here who packed my box. And one thing I love about Simply Earth is that they give 13% of their profits to charities that stop human trafficking. So they're amazing. That is a big chunk of their profits. The price is $39.99 a month, and you get over $150 worth of value. This is what it looks like. Right on top, there are some stickers to put on your finished products. Here are the recipe cards. They're always very colorful and informative. And then the oils are packed up all nice, and here are the extra items that we need. So I will go through these cards and the recipes and pull out items as they come up. First, let's read a note from Kate. So Kate's the recipe formulator and certified aromatherapist at Simply Earth. And she says, "Hi Earthy, what do you think of our new blend, Good Vibes? I usually go for citrus or earthy smelling oil before floral ones, but I'm absolutely loving this blend. Not only does it smell amazing, but it supports hormonal balance. Hormones play an essential role in our bodies. If there is an imbalance, your body will definitely react. Mood swings, difficulty sleeping, monthly acne, and hot flashes are all symptoms of hormonal imbalance." Yeah. Definitely happens to me. May is Women's Health Month, but I don't think anyone else is taking care of their health quite like you. With this toxin-free box, you can be confident that your health is being supported safely. Love, Katie. And there's a picture of her with her cute daughter there. So I guess we're getting a Good Vibes essential oil. That sounds great. So since Kate brought it up, let's start with the recipe Good Vibes Roll On. So here is a card I'm reading from. It says the time to make this is 1 minute, and the estimated shelf life is 1 year. And to make this, you need 6 drops of the Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend. And this is what it looks like. Can't tell if that is focusing or not. But they give so much useful information both on the bottles and also on one of the cards. Right here. So there is 15 milliliters in each of the oils, and it says the use is to support hormonal balance and spread joy with this uplifting blend. It's made with clary sage, geranium, lavender, lemon, and hoe-wood essential oils. And it says this is safe for children 2 and up. And let's take a little sniff before we read more about it. It smells so good. Definitely get why it's called Good Vibes. So on here, it says this is new to Simply Earth, and its uses are to support hormone health, and we already read the ingredients. And for safety, it says always dilute before using it on your skin. It's possibly phototoxic, so that means if you do put it on your skin and you go outside, definitely make sure to wear SPF because you're more likely to burn. It's safe for kids 2 and up, it's pregnancy safe, it's not safe for cats, but it is safe for dogs. So I love that they provide that information. And I say this in all my videos, but if you ever have any questions or concerns about essential oils with children or pets, always just contact your pediatrician or your veterinarian. And next you'll need 10 milliliters of fractionated coconut oil in a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle, and those 2 items come in your bonus box. So the instructions are to add essential oils to the roll-on bottle, fill the rest of the way up with fractionated coconut oil, and apply pulse points and bottoms of the feet to support hormonal wellness. I'm gonna go grab those other items so we can do that really quick. Alright, so here is the coconut oil you will get in your big bonus box. And it says on here 100% pure carrier oil, and then talks more about it. And then here is the 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. So let's do this one quick. And I see that my roommate just pulled into the driveway, so we might hear a garage noise soon. Yeah, there it is. I don't even know if you guys can hear it, but so it's easy. Just take the top off, and here's your bottle, and it says 6 drops of good vibes. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, might be like 7 or 8, but that's okay. And then fill the rest of the way up with the fractionated coconut oil. Probably want to do this over a different surface so you don't spill on yourself like I just did. And now we have our roll-on. I don't know why I feel the urge just to like shake it a little bit. Let's put the sticker on it and then try it out. So here is the sticker that says Good Vibes Roll-On. And it has directions on here and ingredients as well, and the caution. So this is super useful. Just gonna cut it out. So let's just apply the sticker around it. Oh, hopefully it sticks because there's some oil on it. Yeah, since there's some coconut oil on it, it's not sticking completely, but let's apply it to our pulse points now. It smells so good. And it says to apply it to your feet too, so let me try that. Awesome. So in the back of this card it says, do you have any questions? So it goes over that they have a frequently asked questions page, which you can find using that link I'm putting down below. They also have a blog with a lot of useful information, and all subscribers to Simply Earth get access to their Facebook group, so you can chat with others, ask questions, all of that. And they also have an online course to learn more about essential oils that comes with your subscription, which I think is amazing. And it says they also have great customer service, which is so true. All right, let's move on to our next recipe. This is the Cramp Care Compress, and it says time to make is 2 minutes, and its estimated shelf life is 6 weeks. So the ingredients are 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. So we have that right here. Again, this comes in your big bonus box when you use that code down below. And then 3 drops of the Lady's Choice Essential Oil Blend. So let's get that out. So here is the vial. I love that it's pink. Has some information there. So the uses, it says to give Mother Nature a taste of her own medicine by relieving menstrual cramps. The ingredients are clary sage, marjoram, lavender, and geranium essential oil, and it's safe for those 10 and up. I seriously am just finishing my period, so I could have used this a couple days ago, but it'll be back next month. It smells good. What is in here again? Oh yeah, it definitely smells like the clary sage. And it says uses for Lady's Choice is to relieve PMS symptoms, and we already went over the ingredients. And safety, it says always dilute before using it on your skin. It's also possibly phototoxic. And on this card it says kids safe 2 and up, but on here on the vial it says 10 and up, so I would go with that one. It's safe for pregnancy, not safe for cats, and it is safe around dogs. And then you'll need 4 cups of hot water and a small towel or cloth. So you'll have to get that towel or cloth at home, but I think we all have those. And for the instructions, it says in a small bowl, mix the fractionated coconut oil and essential oil blend. Soak the towel in hot water and wring out the excess. And then 3, pour oils onto the towel. And to use, apply the compress to affected area, oil side down. Refresh 3 to 4 times as needed when towel reaches body temperature. And there's a tip here that says use a towel or cloth you don't mind getting oil stains on. That's a good tip. So I won't be making this one today. I'll probably wait until it's needed next month because it has a shorter shelf life, and it seems like you really just make it for when you need it. I don't think you really make it to store it. Next up, we have the Spring Day Diffuser Blend. And the time to make is 2 minutes, and it has an estimated shelf life of 1 year. The ingredients are 2 drops of the Lady's Choice Essential Oil Blend, which we just talked about, 1 drop of the Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend, and then 1 drop of the Marjoram Essential Oil. Okay, I need to look up if I'm saying this word right, which I'll do in just a moment. I think that's how you say it. So this one is not a blend, so it gives us a little bit more information. It's just pure 100% essential oil of marjoram, or however you say it. The plant part it comes from is flower and leaf, and its origin is Hungary, and its aroma is sweet and herbaceous, and it's safe for kids 10 and up. Take a sniff. Oh, yeah, very earthy smell. So let's look up that word.
Marjoram.
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 Okay, so we have marjoram oil here, 1 drop. And then we'll need 1 drop of tangerine essential oil, which is the last oil here. Let me get it out. At least 1 other tangerine oil. I love citrus scents. So this one comes from the plant part fruit peel. Its origin is USA, and its aroma is tangy, citrus, and sweet, and it's safe for kids 2 and up. Let's take a sniff of this, and then we'll read about both oils when I grab that sheet, because I forgot for the last one. Always smells so good. So let's read a little bit more about those two. So first with the marjoram. The marjoram oil. So its uses are to warm, calm, relieve pain, and ease congestion. It says dilute before using it on the skin. Again, safe for kids 2 and up. It's pregnancy safe, cat safe, and dog safe. So this is one safe oil, that's good. And for the tangerine, it says its uses are to uplift, supports focus, aids digestion, supports immunity. And it says always dilute before using it on your skin. Safe for kids 2 and up. It's pregnancy safe, not safe for cats, but it is safe around dogs. And what you can do is you can just do the drops that they said. Oh, I just dropped something. You can put the 2 drops of the Lady's Choice blend, and the 1 drop of the Good Vibes, 1 drop of marjoram, and 1 drop of tangerine into your diffuser after some water is added, and just diffuse it like that. Or you can make a master blend, and it tells you how to do that. So to create a master blend, you'll need 40 drops of Lady's Choice, 20 drops of Good Vibes, 20 drops of tangerine, and 20 drops of the marjoram essential oil to a 5 milliliter bottle from your big bonus bag. So let's make that. So this is what the 5 milliliter little vial looks like. So I got the Lady's Choice here. All right, so we've got the 40 drops. Seems like it's almost full already. And 20 drops of Good Vibes, and 20 drops of the marjoram. Oh, I skipped tangerine, and then 20 drops of tangerine, and we're done. And there we go. Just gonna put the cap on, kind of shake it, and let's smell it. And then there's gonna be a label sticker for this as well. This smells so good. It does smell like a spring day. Super good. So much for waiting until tomorrow to do these with my mom. Sorry, Mom. I'll bring them over though. So here is the sticker I'm putting on. Again, very informative. It says what the use is, the ingredients, child safe, caution, all of that. And the sticker backing is super easy to remove. And there we go. Now I have my blend. 3 recipes left. Next up is the Balanced Bath Soak. So this takes 3 minutes, and its estimated shelf life is 3 months. And you will need some things from home for this one. You'll need 2 cups of Epsom salt. And also from home, you'll need a sealable 20 to 32 ounce container. So I forgot to get some more Epsom salt, so I'll have to get that and make that at a later time. And then you'll need 1/4 of the fractionated coconut oil, 6 drops of Good Vibes essential oil blend, 6 drops of Lady's Choice essential oil blend, and then 0.1 ounce of lavender buds. It looks like they provide that for us. So Simply Earth dried lavender flowers. The ingredients are Lavandula officinalis, so lavender. Its origin is France, and it's naturally fragrant, and you get 0.1 ounces here, so you use this whole entire bag. And it says for instructions, in a small bowl, mix the essential oils with fractionated coconut oil. Place the Epsom salts in a sealable container. Add oil mixture to salt and stir until oil is evenly distributed. Add lavender buds and stir until just combined. And to use, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of mixture to the tub as it's filling, and then soak in the Balanced Bath for 10 to 15 minutes to maximize benefits. And a tip here says before adding the lavender buds, you can grind them in a coffee grinder to help them go down your drain. Or yeah, because it can get messy. I've tried this before, something similar, and after you bathe, you just have to like wipe it up. Or like they said, that's a good idea actually, just grind it up so it'll go down the drain. Ooh, and on the back of this card, it has a sneak peek for next month. I'll save that for the end. All right, now we have the Positivity Solid Perfume, and it takes 5 minutes and has an estimated shelf life of 2 years. Here's the card I'm reading from. On the back of this card, it talks about how we're making a difference with the 13% to end human trafficking, so I won't read that since we already talked about it. Anyway, so we'll need 1 teaspoon of beeswax, which comes in our bonus box. Let me grab that. So here's the beeswax here. So it's resealable, which is good if you don't use it all. And it says Simply Earth Beeswax, 100% pure, sulfate-free, natural skincare. You get 2 ounces in here. And we'll need some almond oil. Again, comes in the bonus box. And this is what it looks like. And you'll need 1 drop of the Good Vibes essential oil blend, 2 drops of tangerine essential oil, 1 drop marjoram essential oil in a 1/3 ounce container. And I think this, wait, no, this is the container. So they provide that, and instructions. So this is one I will be doing later just because I need to do it downstairs, because it says in a double boiler, melt the beeswax, and then keep the beeswax on the heat and add the almond oil. Remove from heat and stir in essential oil and pour into a 1/3 ounce container. And to use your finger to apply the perfume to pulse points. And there's a tip here that says if your perfume starts to harden before you're able to pour it in the container, place the mixture back on the heat briefly to remelt the mixture. So fun, I love perfume. Ooh, and the last one I'm probably the most excited about. This is the Complexion Face Serum. I love skincare, you guys know. The time to make this is 1 minute and the estimated shelf life is 1 year. So for this one, you'll need some almond oil, 2 drops of the Good Vibes Essential Oil Blend, 3 drops of Tangerine Essential Oil, 1 drop of Marjoram Essential Oil, a 1 ounce container, and then it's optional to have a soft cloth. And instructions are to fill a 1 ounce container. So this is what I showed you guys this originally for the last recipe, but it's for this one. And it says fill this with almond oil to where the bottle curves. Oh, and it's sealed even though there's nothing inside it. And we fill it till about here where it curves. When you subscribe, it seems like you do get another big bonus box after 3 months. So if you run out of supplies, just so you know. It'd be easier to do this without the top on, but I think we've got enough there. Right now I'm going to add the essential oils, and then it says to shake, so 2 drops of Good Vibes, 3 drops of Tangerine. And again, with all these, it says they're safe to put on your skin if they're diluted, but definitely make sure to wear SPF, which you should be wearing every day anyways. And then 1 drop of the margarine. Now I'm gonna put the top on and mix it. Shake well, and then to use after washing your face, gently apply a nickel-sized amount to face using your fingers. For a deep oil treatment, wet a soft cloth with warm water and place it over your face and allow it to rest for 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm gonna label this one, and then let's talk about the sneak peek for next month. So I just realized there's also some labels right here that you can put on the top of your oil. So if you use one of those storage bins that I showed you last month, it'd be easy to find. So I don't know how I never paid attention to that in past boxes. I'm totally going to do that. So smart. And here is the serum sticker. So this one's small. Let's get it on. Here is what that looks like. And so that is everything. Now let's talk about what next month's sneak peek is. So it says the theme is Oily Aid Kit, Natural Home Remedies. The oils we'll get next month are Bumps and Boo Boos blend, a new manly blend, cardamom and lavender. And the recipes will be a burn salve, skin healing gel, body butter, herbal infused oil, a roll-on, and a diffuser recipe. And the extras we will get are aloe vera gel and a new dried herb. And things you'll need at home is just containers to hold your recipe. So I love that they tell you in advance so you can get the items you need. Like I knew I needed Epsom salts, but I forgot, so I'm gonna have to get those. Probably just order some on Amazon. So that is super exciting. It's super useful because next month is like when it's warmer everywhere, hopefully. I heard there's like snow in the Midwest. It's crazy. And yeah, if you have little ones at home, you definitely will have some boo-boos or whatever that oil is called. It's so cute. So yeah, that's everything for the May box. We got some recipes done. That was super fun and simple. So I think this would be a great activity to do by yourself or with your loved one, your family, whoever. And yeah, all the information will be down below. Definitely make sure you use that promo code if you subscribe. And anyways, thank you guys for being here. I hope you're all well and safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.